Good morning, my subscribers. Good morning. What I'm going to make today is ackee and saltfish. Yeah, man, our favorite Jamaican ackee and saltfish. So I have a piece of saltfish here in the pot. I'm going to wash it off. All right, wash off the salt. You can put it to soak, even overnight if you want to. All right, but I'm ready for breakfast now, and I can't wait for it to soak because I did not remember to soak it. So what I'm going to do now is wash off some of the excess salt before I look about my ackee and saltfish. And what I love is, I love when the saltfish boil in the same pot with the ackee. Listen again. I love when my ackee and my saltfish boil together. It gives this a taste. Yeah, it boosts the taste. All right. Also, I like to put a little mixed vegetable in my ackee and saltfish. All right. So I have a little mixed vegetable here. I have a little mixed vegetable here that I'll be using also in it. All right. So this is my twist. This is how I always look after my ackee and saltfish. Everybody cook different, all right? Don't know how you do yours. Probably you cook the saltfish different, you cook the ackee different. But I like when my ackee and my saltfish boil together in the same water in the same pot. To me, it gives it a nice taste. All right. So don't say I'm boy Marie can't cook, because I know so it we cook. Everybody cooks differently. All right. I'm a mixed vegetable if you go in it too. Mm. All right, so we're washing off the excess salt. All right, too much salt, so we're washing off some of the salt. And then we're gonna put this to boil. When it is boiling up, we put the ackee in there. All right. Now we have our saltfish in the water. We're going to let that boil. I'll put a lot of water in the pot. We're going to let that boil up first, and then we add the ackee to the same water with the saltfish and let the two of them cook together. So probably you do yours different. You cook the saltfish different, you cook the ackee different. But I like it this way because boiling the two of them together, it gives it a kick. It make it taste nice, give it flavor. All right. Big up to all my subscribers. Big up to all my viewers. All right. So I've put in my ackee. I've put in my ackee and I'm going to let it cook with the saltfish in there. All right. And when you do it this way, I want you to try it and come back and tell me, give it a nice flavor. All right. So I know you might not do yours that this way, but I'm telling you to try it this way once and tell me how it tastes nice. So I'm going to put some mixed vegetables. I'm going to put the mixed vegetables over on the other side. So here I have some mixed vegetables over on this side. hmm I love my ackee and saltfish with a little mixed vegetable. And over on this side, the ackee is cooking with the saltfish together. All right. Woo! Too much heat for the camera. Woo! Too much heat. Ackee and saltfish, people. Now, people, the saltfish is cooked, ackee is cooked, and we're gonna have to scrape this off. All right, you're gonna have to scrape this off and pick up the saltfish. Be very careful of a trip to the emergency room. All right, make sure you take out the bones out of the saltfish. So we're gonna pick this up, put it in some more water, take out the bones. Ackee is ready over here. All right, now we're coming over here and we're gonna cut up. The Scotch bonnet pepper is very. I finally got a good knife, people. But you know it's only sharp for a few days. Mhm. After this week, it is no longer work. Right now, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I want some good kitchen utensils. Look at this knife. Oh, this is lovely. It is so sharp. But one thing with them, after a couple days, it dull again. All right. Now, this is my Scotch bonnet that I pick from my pepper tree, and I'm telling you, these Scotch bonnet, they don't play. All right, I don't want to put too much on it. All right, onion. Yeah, I love this knife. I'm loving it. See that? Wow, beautiful. So the knife them fi cut, man. Watch it. Just have a rip through. Yeah, but trying to rip off my finger though. Big up to Jamaicans in the diaspora. Big up to all Americans. Big up to British. All of the British them big up on yourself. Big up to all Canadians. Go and make video. Yes, people. My best phone stopped working. My best iPhone stopped working that I used to make my video. The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. Because I continue to make videos same way. Alright. My best iPhone. Yeah, I like a lot of tomato in my ackee. Alright. I make full it of tomato. Yeah man, tomato is price gone down now, you know. Can't get tomato for $100 a pound. Yeah, the price of tomato gone down now. What is not going down is yam. Price of yam is still up there. Alright. I see what happened now. This bad. This is very bad. Alright. Yes, people. And Scotch bonnet, you have to be very careful with the Scotch bonnet. It's very hot. The Scotch bonnet don't play. You might cook it and can't eat it. Fire in your wire. Now gonna further in, people. Yeah, put back piece. Alright, so now my seasoning is ready. And I'm going to scrape my saltfish and pick it up. Alright, people, so we're gonna fry our seasoning. And don't burn them out. Don't burn out the seasoning. Right. See? Yeah. Put out some sweet pepper in there. Some sweet pepper in there would be nice. Some yellow bell peppers to give it a nice color. Put that color. Don't burn the seasoning. Starting them. Starting the seasoning, don't burn them out. And then we're going to put in the saltfish. Alright? Yeah, so don't burn it. You can use a little white pepper. You can use a little white pepper. So black pepper, white pepper. Any one of those peppers to enhance the flavor. Don't burn your seasoning, please. And burn out all of the flavor. Alright. Then I'm going to add my saltfish or codfish. Yes, people, don't burn out the seasoning, alright? Somebody love to burn out the seasoning. Alright, codfish or saltfish. Doesn't matter what you call it. Good old Jamaican saltfish. What will Ackee and saltfish be? Good old codfish, eh? I'm frying up our two seasonings and our codfish. Ackee and saltfish national dish. Big up Jamaicans in the diaspora. Jamaicans there every country. Big up on yourself. Big up all the Americans, big up all the British, big up all the Canadians, big up all the Africans, wherever you are in the world, big up, big up, big up. Alright. You're ready. This is what you want to do now. This is what you want to do. You better mash up your food. Look some black pepper then. Black pepper, white pepper. There's a little matter. Alright, take your time and incorporate everything. Look at that, lovely. That's about the amount of water. If you have pieces of ham, don't be cooked. If you have pieces of ham, fry up some ham and drop it in. You know, if you have some ham, you never remember. The pieces of ham. What do we have here? Aha. Mixed vegetable. That's my twist. I need to mix vegetable in my ackee. This is twist. Nice. Look at that. I get the colors now popping. Orange, green. Wow. Wow. Look at it. Look at the bone here to pick it up. My hand clean. Yes. You know mean to get unclean like the art and clean. My hands are clean. Alright. Let's get some black pepper nice in here. Black pepper, black pepper, black pepper. And then we have to flip him over again. Incorporate my black pepper. I close it down for a little while. It is simmer down. Lord. You know me that one this big now. Some flour dumpling and banana. But guess what? A white rice. Ha! That's not what's going with it. Sad to say, but that be the one to be. One of that I go with it today. We are going to have some white rice. Your people locking down. Ah. So this is the finished dish, people. Alright, this is the finished dish. Ackee and saltfish with some white rice. Alright. Craving people use spoon. Craving people they use fork because fork now take up enough something. Alright, so you need to use a spoon. So I'm gonna take down some of my rice. Divine. I'm going there again. Ackee and saltfish taste so good. So me eat cute. So my food set nice on my plate. People, give the food sweet till me no remember what to say. People, give the videos a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, turn on your notification bell. And then you press all. You want to see all that Miss Phoenix is doing. All. Alright? Turn on your notification bell. So that you know when Miss Phoenix drop a video. When Miss Phoenix a cook. When Miss Phoenix do nothing. Anything at all. So you can just subscribe. You have to turn on your notification bell. Alright? And share the video with somebody. Help the channel to grow. And remember to subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. If you have been watching and you have not yet subscribed, subscribe the man. See you soon.